Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. Before we start this off today, if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing as it would really help us to bring you the absolute best content geared towards mini car collections. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Today, we have the unboxing of the Tomica Premium Ferrari 365 GTS 4, regular and first edition. I do have the Tomica TLV model for this coming in shortly, and we will be doing a future side-by-side comparison video. Let's crack them open. Ferrari 365 GTS in this jet black gloss. It is absolutely fantastic. For Tomica Premium, they did make the Tomica Limited Vintage of this model, but this Tomica Premium version is over the top. For the price point, you have a two-tone color interior, you have the beige, you got the black on the outside, you have nice super detailed wheels, plastic headlights, plastic taillights, perfect Ferrari written right there on the back, even muffler details. The wheels do slant a little bit like the actual car used to, but look at the door details. You have even the windshield, even painted chrome, or that black all around. The perfect Ferrari badge emblem right there on the front, a little grille, little chrome accents. It just makes this car look absolutely fantastic. Great job, Tomica. Let's open this first edition model. Same thing for this model in red. I mean, in red, I find the details do stand out a little bit less than on the black. However, the color combo with the interior does seem to go better with the tan, the typical tan and red exterior. The chrome highlights also do stand out, not as much. I do notice that there is the hood scoops over there, which I did not notice on the black model. The taillights obviously are not as noticeable, they don't pop out as much. However, it is equally plastic and the details are all around there. It's a very complete model. Again, way to go, Tomica. They did an absolute fantastic job on this casting, and I do hope that they continue to have this licensing from Ferrari to continue doing these 1/64th scale models. I mean, it's one of the best we've seen in years, and I do hope that they continue having and going through with this going forward. Let's go for the suspension test. And both pass with flying colors. And that wraps this unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe and click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to equally like and share this video. Which one was your favorite? Regular black or first edition commemorative red? Never stop collecting. And as always, I'm Adrian, and we will see you all in the next one.